Let me ask you something. Have you ever said something to your spouse and later realized it wasn't what you said, it was how you said it? In marriage, the way you say something often carries more weight than the words themselves. You can be completely right in your point, but completely wrong in your delivery. And when that happens, your message gets lost because your tone becomes the focus. When rudeness replaces respect. Being rude may get your point across, but it also leaves something behind. Hurt, distance, resentment, because your spouse may forget the exact words you used, but they will remember how you made them feel. And over time, that feeling builds up. Respect in communication is not about suppressing your feelings. It's not about holding things in. It's about learning how to deliver truth with love. It's about saying what needs to be said in a way that builds your marriage instead of tearing it down. The Bible makes this clear. Proverbs 15:1 says, "A gentle answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger." That means your tone either calms the situation or escalates it. There's no neutral ground. So before you speak, pause and ask yourself, could I say this in a way that builds up instead of tears down? Am I speaking to win this moment or to strengthen my marriage? Because those are two very different goals. Winning the moment might feel good temporarily, but strengthening your marriage, that's what lasts. And too many couples are winning arguments while slowly losing connection. Let me talk to both sides for a moment. If you tend to speak harshly, understand this. Your message may be valid, but your delivery is damaging your marriage. And if you're on the receiving end, don't just react to tone, but also be willing to hear the truth behind it. Because growth requires both better delivery, better reception. So here's what I want you to do next time you feel it. That moment when you're about to respond, pause, slow down, and pray. Lord, help me choose words seasoned with grace. Teach me to think before I speak so my words bring healing instead of harm. Because here's the truth. Respect in your words creates safety in your marriage. And where there is safety, there is openness. There is trust. There is growth. But when rudeness replaces respect, distance follows. If this message spoke to you, don't just hear it. Get help applying it. Because knowing what to do and actually doing it are two different things. As seasoned marriage replenishment specialists with advanced degrees in counseling, my wife and I can come alongside you and your spouse for a specific period of time to help you work through this and other key areas of your marriage. You don't have to figure this out on your own. Let's work through this together.